Yardie Belly's kitchen. This is Candy, and today I am doing some steamed fish. I'm sure we did this before, but every time you do things, it you know, there's a different twist to it. So I'm just pouring in a little bit of coconut oil because I love the flavor of that coconut oil. And I'm just gonna create a bed inside of the pot with all of these scrumptious veggies. I have tomatoes, I have ginger, I have garlic, I have green onions or escallions, I have onions, and I have fresh thyme. So I'm just gonna add all of that to form a bed inside of the pot. Just pushing it around a bit, and almost immediately I'm just gonna lay my fish on top.
The green.
And these are the fish. These are yellowtail snapper. Just layering them on top of the veggies, or the seasoning as we call it.
Oh,
we have 4 that we're gonna try to get to hold in the pot.
Okinos.
And then I'm gonna just put some butter on top.
I love the butter.
Ox the butter and just drop it on top
Butter nice.
so that it can steam and give it a nice buttery flavor.
Butter.
Nice. Pray for this person named Yardie Belly. Please pray for him. You need help. Alright, and that's the simplicity of steamed fish. Once you put it in the pot, there's no drama. It's pretty much does its own thing.
Where's the
and
drama?
you just leave it for a good little 15 minutes.
A little dun.
And you're good to go. So
It's very dramatic.
unveil the pot cover one more time because
Unveil.
yeah,
You mean take off?
unlid, uncover.
Unlidded.
Yeah, can we have this very important,
How much very I gotta say?
very important ingredient for the fish. Man, you burn me
Me not burn it and me show you how far down you forgot. Stop resisting.
Hey.
Don't resist.
Man, you burn me.
Stop resisting.
Sure.
You
Yeah,
must have
so,
the police them so them beat you in the head.
well, you're not cop, so be quiet.
Stop resisting.
Right, so we're cutting up some Scotch bonnet pepper. The real deal, this, you know, it's another fake one, them we will
And you
say.
see how she
but
put
that's
a little
free.
bit because she afraid it butter.
No, I can't manage too much. Just the flavoring we want with it. Because we don't want the effects.
Alright, not put no more. Me put for my one special.
Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, one for me, one for Candy, one for Joshua, and the next one for me. I fry fish, me say,
Steam fish.
steam fish, me say, hey, steam fish, me say, hey, steam fish, me say.
And the fire is very low. Like super duper low. Because we don't want it to stick any at all.
Me have some frozen okra in the cupboard where I go put pan it. In the fridge. Oh yes.
Redeemers.
Yes. You see how slow the fire is? We now rush this thing here. This is one of them things that we now rush. Is an unrushable thing. Alright? So we have some okra. We did have them okra frozen. So we just gotta add them. I make them go and stay there and permitate. What am I gonna do? Permitate. Alright? And we steam fish a bill. We just gotta add some little regular ingredients, nothing much. So lemon pepper. Use lemon pepper, a little garlic powder, you know, just some regular little stuff, nothing over the top. And make it your own. You understand? The lemon pepper is good, it's very good for seafood. So we're gonna add that and you know, build on the thing a little bit. Can put a little bit more. Thank you kindly. And as I said, steamed fish is one of those dishes where you just allow this to make it just bill. You understand? So from there, we're gonna put little what you call it, cayenne pepper, little paprika, not a lot, just to keep adding the flavor, rounding off the flavors, and then we ready to take it off when we're ready. You see, that's how it go. I saw the thing said. Remember, I told you it's Yardie belly in a foreign. More steamed fish. I come down. Okay, so folks, the wife here cook some turn cornmeal with the fish. Yeah, you can see my recipe on turn cornmeal in the rest of the something, the video them. We have turn cornmeal on the internet, no? On Facebook, on YouTube. Yeah, turn cornmeal on YouTube. So where I don't know if I make that one here special. Talk to me.
What makes turn cornmeal special? We're adding some cannellini.
White kidney bean. Here, white kidney bean. I don't know what they call about cannellini. What are they called? Cannellini.
Cannellini beans. White kidney beans.
Yeah, well, that's just to make it a little bit, different.
Special.
Yeah, and then we're gonna finish up that with little butter. You see?
And you fold larine.
You fold it in, so you take it and juke it.
You take it and fold her.
Yeah, and again, the variation from the turn cornmeal is just to create variation. It not change the flavor none at all. Turn cornmeal up on our YouTube page, so you can scroll through the page and find turn cornmeal, and yeah, make it like so, and then we just add little butter at the end of that. See, I like the turn cornmeal that way there. In America, them call it polenta, but we from the islands know it as turn cornmeal. And here we're adding just a little sliver of unsalted butter. We pick up this butter at Trader Joe's, and it's a raw butter, unsalted butter, and we add it to stuff, when we want to do it without the unhealthiness of the unhealthy involvement. You see? Alright, so make you come over here so now. Come on, the fish here. The fish, look at the fish, ladies and gentlemen. The fish is very permutated.
So we're going to turn up that fish with some rasta thing.
You see, red
green, and gold.
And a red, orange. Red, orange, and gold.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Next time we buy
the green there.
Oh, the green, the dark green.
Alright, so we just sprinkle it.
See it there?
Sprinkler.
Me ready for mine still. Me not tell no lie. The fish look very...
The crackers look like it can go? Or?
It can go. Normally you could have finished this with some crackers, but it's like how we have the turn cornmeal, you don't want to overdo it.
Oh, okay.
You understand? You put little broccoli, you put a couple broccoli, or you leave it alone. Separate. We have the broccoli too, separate. But yeah, so the steamed fish, it just a go and build, ladies and gentlemen. We just keep the flavors running. It can stay on this low heat for as long as we want, and it just stay there and build nice flavors. Steamed fish, yellowtail snapper, and yeah, I saw the thing set. Yeah, remember, Yardie belly in a foreign, and the wife are going good. Yeah, she going good. Hey, she going good.
Put the butter on this?
Yeah, put little butter on this now. Hey, the steamed fish, it a going good. Hey, it going good. Yes, it going good. Hey, it going good. Yes, it going. Ladies and gentlemen, she a dance over the pot. You're not supposed to dance in the kitchen because it's very dangerous. If steamed fish grease touch up on your navel. It going good. Yes, it going good. Hey, it going good. Yes, it going good. Steamed fish in a pot. Yes, it going good. You see, a cravenness make we go and say, folks. Me just tell you from now, cravenness make we go and so. Trust me. Plating time next. You see it? Remember, I told you. Here it is, folks. Yardie belly in a foreign. And listen, don't mind the little tail right there. So I like it with the tail. Yeah? I will steam fish that. Turn cornmeal and steam fish and pear and avocado, and broccoli and stuff. Remember, me tell you, Yardie belly in a foreign. Steam fish, turn up. And the wife says she want a plate, so I allow her. Make she eat a plate, because everything else left in the pot are mine.
I don't eat plate.
Oh, she not eat plate. She says she eat the food in the plate. Glory, hallelujah, praise his name. Everything, every day is about the same. If you know the Lord is keeping, ladies and gentlemen, bye.